In this video, I will go through the functions that all lesson activity types within the Lesson Activities app in Snowflake have in common. The Lesson Activities app allows you to download short, educational and fun activities and to create your own in an easy, intuitive way using content such as video, image, text and sound. The app provides you with 16 different templates or lesson activity types, which you can use to build engaging content for your classroom. The Lesson Activities app offers ways of customizing the display of information and multiple means of representation in accordance with the Universal Design for Learning guidelines. Start the Lesson Activities app in Snowflake by clicking on the app icon in the main screen. Select a lesson activity type. Please watch the tutorial video on lesson activity types for more information. The link is provided in the description below. Next, you will come to the screen where you can start building your activity. A sidebar on the left of the screen provides you with shortcuts to the Lesson Activities app home screen and to the Lesson Activity type screen. A text field on top of the screen will allow you to type in the name for this activity. The left half of the screen is where you will add your content. Depending on the lesson activity type you have selected, you may get the option to create a question or just content. Press one of these icons to start creating content and type in the text in the field. Once you are done, press Enter if you're using a keyboard, or one of the Create icons to move on to the next content item. If you wish, you can import the CSV file from your computer. Move the fields up and down by holding down your finger or mouse cursor on the cross icon next to the text field and dragging it. This content can be customized further in some of the Snowflake lesson activity types by clicking on the gray Customize Content icon and making the changes you want. Please watch the video on the different lesson activity types to find out how you can customize the content in each one. Under the lesson name, you can see that there are two tabs. The one you are currently using to build the content and one named Lesson Activity Information. Clicking on the Lesson Activity Information tab will bring you to a screen where you can enhance your activity in different ways. Here, you can type in a text describing your activity. This is particularly useful if you decide to share your lesson with the Snowflake teachers community and help your peers find fun and engaging educational content. You can also link a video to your lesson, either by pasting a YouTube video directly onto the text field or by clicking on the search icon and typing in some keywords. If you press the Import icon instead, you can easily upload your own MP4 video from your computer and link it to your lesson. Choose whether you want the video to play automatically before the activity starts by toggling the switch under the text field. There, you will also see a start point and an end point field. If you wish to only show part of a video, you can type in a start and an end point in minutes and seconds. Select which age group, subject and country to which you would like to tag your activity. This will make it easier for other teachers to find your activities when they use the search filters in the home screen. Here, you can also enter links. Just type in the title of the link to the left and paste the URL of the link to the right. Add more links by pressing Enter on your keyboard or by tapping on the Add Link icon. Typing in keywords in this text field will also help other teachers find your content. Use the Add Standards icon to search for and add the connection to the curriculum standards you wish to include. Choose which curriculum to use first, or enter the search terms that are relevant to your lesson activity. You can add several standards. The right part of the screen allows you to change the appearance of your activity. On top of this screen, you can see a preview of your activity. Change the font type, size and color from the drop-down menus and add a shadow to your text to make it more visible. Change the background to one of the ones included in Snowflake, or press the Browse icon. The Browse icon will open up a file browser which will allow you to look for a background image on your computer, in the Snowflake content gallery, or on the internet. You can change the fit of the image from the drop-down menu to the right. You can decide the rules of the game through the drop-down menu below, as well as whether a timer is used or not. When you're done building your lesson, press the play icon to see how it looks. Clicking on the corner menu icon while in play mode will make the menu appear. There you will find a number of choices. Edit will take you back to the content building screen. Lesson Activities Home will take you to the Lesson Activities app homepage. Convert will allow you to change the lesson activity type to another. Restart will let you start the activity from the beginning. Description will display the text you have entered in the description box in the Lesson Activity Information tab, plus any videos, links and keywords you may have entered. You can also exit the app and go back to Snowflake's main screen by pressing Close App. If you are satisfied with how your activity looks and works, you can press the Community icon. This will bring up a dialog where you can choose if you want to share the lesson activity with the community or keep it private. Pressing the Export icon instead will open the file browser to let you select where to save your activity, locally on your own computer or in the cloud, for example Dropbox.